Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to solve surface chemistry CSIR-NET previous year questions from 2020 and also 2011 to 2019 video link I have mentioned in description. Please go through that. Now let's move to the question. Question 1. This was asked in CSIR-NET November 2020. The question is, the correct statement about chemisorption is. Here four options given. Option A, chemisorption results in multimolecular layer adsorption. Option B, chemisorption is reversible in nature. And option C, chemisorption has lower specificity than physisorption. And option D is chemisorption occurs due to formation of chemical bonds. Now we'll see the solution. First, we'll check the options. In option A, they have told chemisorption results in multimolecular layer adsorption. Actually, this is incorrect because chemisorption is restricted to monolayer adsorption because once the surface sites are occupied by chemically bonded molecules, further adsorption does not occur. So, multilayer adsorption is characteristic of physisorption. So, option A is incorrect. And next we'll see the option B. In option B, they have mentioned chemisorption is reversible in nature. So, this is also incorrect because chemisorption is generally irreversible due to the formation of strong chemical bonds and often requires high energy for desorption. So, option B also incorrect. Now, we'll see the option C. In option C, they have mentioned chemisorption has lower specificity than physisorption. Here, option C also incorrect because chemisorption is highly specific because chemical bond formation depends on the electronic structure and chemical nature of both the adsorbent and the adsorbate. So, physisorption involving weak van der Waals forces is comparatively non-specific. So, option C also incorrect. Now, let's move to the option C. Here in option C, chemisorption occurs due to formation of chemical bonds. Now we'll check. In option D is correct because chemisorption involves the formation of chemical bonds, that means covalent, ionic or coordinate between the adsorbate and the surface. So answer D, chemisorption occurs due to formation of chemical bond is the correct answer here. Now let's move to the second question. Question 2. This has asked in CSIR-NET. This is November 2020 they have asked. A gas is known to satisfy Langmuir isotherm when adsorbed on a certain metal surface if the fractional coverage of the gas is 0.5. When the gas pressure is 1 Pascal, the fractional coverage at 3 Pascal would be closest to option A 0.67, option B 0.75, option C 0.80 and option D 1. Now let's move to the solution. Solution is, this problem is based on the Langmuir adsorption isotherm. What is given? Fractional coverage. Here theta is equal to 0.5 at pressure is equal to 1 Pascal. Now find theta at pressure is equal to 3 Pascal. Step 1. Use Langmuir adsorption isotherm. Theta is equal to Kp divided by 1 plus Kp, where K is the adsorption equilibrium constant. So, in step 2, determine K. At P is equal to 1 Pascal, substitute values. 0.5 is equal to K into 1 divided by 1 plus K. So, 0.5 into 1 plus K is equal to K. 0.5 plus 0.5 K is equal to K. So, K is equal to 1. Now, step 3. Calculate theta at P is equal to 3 Pascal. Theta is equal to 1 into 3 divided by 1 plus 1 into 3. That equal to 3 by 4. That is equal to 0.75. So, here correct answer is option B 0.75. Now, we'll see the CSIR-NET shortcut. When theta is equal to 0.5, Kp is equal to 1. So it P is equal to 1 Pascal, K is equal to 1. Then simply substitute theta is equal to 3 divided by 1 plus 3, that equal to 3 by 4, that is equal to 0.75. So here option B 0.75 is the correct answer here. I hope you understood this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.